to go.
Rondo walks it up. Corner for Jeff Green. Off the mark, and Elton the rebound.
Another really bad shot there.
Teague, a pull-up. Shot it short. Celtics by 2. Oh, and Jeff Teague with a steal. Carroll. Korver. Puts it up. Got it! And Atlanta takes the lead, 90-89.
What did I tell you? A backbreaker.
First lead of the quarter for Atlanta. Sullinger. Outside Rondo. Back to Jarrett. He'll take a 3. And he'll make a 3.
And you see Kyle Korver still down there by himself. Nobody even sees him.
Boston.
Look at that.
By 2. Korver. Good!
It's like, what are they doing?
Asleep at the wheel. 93-92 Atlanta. 3 minutes to go.
I mean, he was open 6 or 7 seconds. Nobody even saw him. You only got the best three-point shooter on the floor, and you don't give it to him.
Sullinger fumbles it out of